I bet you started learning Hindi on Duolingo. But is the most popular app actually the best place to learn? Today, we're comparing Ling with Duolingo to see which app is better. Let the games begin! Hindi is spoken by over 300 million people worldwide, which means this language will open up new experiences for you. But most people, they just stick to earning daily streaks and not really learning the language. Now, let's break down the features of these two apps and see which one's better. First, let's start with the audio. Audio is the key when it comes to learning and using a new language. Even if just one tone is wrong, your sentence could turn into something completely different than what you're trying to communicate. That's why it's crucial to learn the audio from the right source. Duolingo uses text-to-speech audio, and while they're consistent, they lack the soul and the real accent from an actual human being. On the other hand, Ling uses native speaker recordings on every audio, so if you want to sound like a local, not a computer, Ling wins this round. Click the link in the description below to give Ling a try and hear the audio for yourself. Next up, let's compare motivation technique. It can be really easy to forget to take a lesson, but it is the only way to train your brain to learn a new language, and that's why motivation techniques are so crucial. Duolingo is great at keeping you coming back with a streak system that nudges you constantly. But those streaks are designed for retention and not necessarily for learning. Ling also has streaks, but they aren't pushy. Ling's system is built to keep you motivated without punishing you for missing a day. Ling has got a streak saver feature that you can earn, so your progress won't be completely vanished even if you miss a day of learning. Even their notifications to remind you to log in for a lesson, they teach you new words. Now, let's see how they compare with real-world scenarios. You can learn tons of phrases and memorize them, but they're probably not going to be useful if you're learning phrases that you'll never use in real life. Duolingo is known for quirky sentences, but are they really useful in the real world? You'll understand the words, but not the whole sentence, even if your streaks are super high. Ling, on the other hand, focuses on functional survival. We're talking real dialogues you can actually use at a restaurant or a train station. Plus, Ling gives you culture notes so you're learning the etiquette of native speakers. Now let's have a look at the real-time conversation practice. If you don't have a way of practicing the language, your learning and earning streaks become completely useless. Let's see how each app solves this issue for their users. Duolingo focuses heavily on translations and clicking buttons, and while it's easy, it doesn't prepare you for real conversations. Ling features an interactive chatbot with real people audio that simulates real situations. So you can practice your responses to a waiter or a friend in a safe space, so you're building your confidence when you actually get to speak abroad. And last but not the least is the fundamental to learning every language is word reviewing. Reviewing your vocabulary is a life-changing habit to develop when you're learning a new language. It helps with long-term retention and is your key to fluency. Duolingo keeps you on a linear path, forcing you to review words based on their algorithm, but sometimes you don't need to review words you already know. Ling offers a save to favorites feature. You can tag the specific words that you struggle with and then revisit them until you're satisfied. Now that we've finished comparing all of the features, what do you think? If you're interested in using Ling, you can click the link in the description below to start your 7-day free trial today. Have a good language learning journey!